Hello guys, this is your mentor towards the journey of data science and artificial intelligence. Myself Rutuja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel that is Rutuja Ki Pathshala. So guys, in the journey of data science and AI, we are learning the SQL software that is SQL Server Management Studio, and in that we are learning the very important topic that is joins. In the previous lecture, we have seen regarding the right join. As you can see on my screen, its implementation and in the different kind of scenarios as well as syntax. Now in today's lecture, we are going to see what is a left join, its syntax, its different scenarios, and its implementation in the practical way. Okay. So guys, let's move toward without wasting much more time. Let's move towards the topic. Now inside my database, I have the two tables. I have created two tables. That is select star from A. My first table name is A and my second table name is B. Okay, semicolon. So I am selecting these two pieces of code and hitting the execute button. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is the table A. This is the table A, where column name is F name, house number and gender, and this is the table B where column name is L name, house number and city. Now in the table A and table B, whenever you are applying the join between these two tables, this point is very important. Keep this into your mind, guys, that whenever you are applying the join between the two tables or any more than two tables, at least one column should be common between all those tables wherever you are applying the join. Okay, so this is the much more important thing. Now in this case, the house number column is like common between these two tables. See, this is house number, this one, and this column. These two columns are common between each other in between these two tables. Okay. Now let's move towards the left join. Now before moving towards the syntax, please be attentive here whatever I am trying to say, and then it will be very easy for you to understand much further things in a much better way, in a smooth manner. Okay. So see guys, this is the table A and this is the table B, and here you have written the left join. Whenever you are writing the syntax in this way, there will be something before A as well and something after B as well. But whenever you are writing the left join, so whatever the table which is present on the right side of the left join, this word will be considered as the right table, and whichever table will be written on the left side of these two words, that is left join, will be considered as the left table. So now in this case, this is the left join we have written. Now B table is considered as the right table and A table is considered as the left table. Why I am telling to you this, guys? Wherever the name itself tells you many things. The left join means what? It will make sure that whatever the data is present inside the left side table, wherever you are applying the left join, it will give you all the details, all the records which is present inside this table, which is on the left side of that word, that is left join. Okay, so this is the much more important thing to be keep it in your mind, guys, this thing, okay, to be understood. Now let's move towards the syntax. Now it is very simple that you need to, syntax is very simple. Firstly, you need to simply write select star from first table, that is A. Now we are giving the alias name to make it much more simpler as small a. Okay. Now I am applying the left join because I want to apply the left join here. Now with which table I want to apply the left join, that is B. Now I is considered as small b. Okay. Then on A dot which column, that is house number, is equals to B dot house number. Okay. Semicolon. So this is a very simple syntax. Now here, guys, I want to tell you, star will indicate all the records from the table A and table B, but it will make sure that it will fetch each and every record from the table A because it is the left side of the left table, which is written on the left side of the left join. Okay, and it will give you the B table record as well, but according to the leading will be done by the table A. So whatever I am trying to make you understand, let's see it in the practical way. So see, firstly see table A. Normal table A is F name, house number, gender, and there are 6 records. In table B there are 5 records, L name, house number and city. Now let's select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see, F name, house number and gender, these three columns are present in table A, which is which you fetched it, and L name, house number and cities column, these columns are present in the table B. Okay, now in these table number A, F name, house number and gender, it has given you all the records which is present inside the table A. Okay, all the 6 records, and whichever record is not, means whichever house number is not matching, that is 101 house number is not present in table B. That's why by default it has given the name as null, null and null. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have written see this one, now if you are writing here B table, simple, so it will be considered as left table as table A, and if you are writing as A, let's left join. Okay, means right table. If we are doing vice versa, just to make you understand in more way, simpler way. Now then on A dot, firstly first table we will write B, and B dot house number, and second table, that is A dot house number. So see, now what is the thing, left join is written, and the right side table is table A, and the left side table is table B. So it will fetch each and every record from the table B, and in the table B the column names are L name, house number and city. So let's see. So see, B table, L name, house number and city is having the 5 records. It has given each and every record, while the table A were having the 6 record, but it has given the 5 records only, because it will make sure that it will fetch each and every record from the left table, and the right table will match with that records with that left table. Okay, that is the thing. Now from here, if I just want only few columns, like from B table, I want only like B dot, I want only city. Wait, okay, then I want from A table A dot F name. Okay, then from these also from B table we need house number, and from A table also we need house number. Let's see what's the output. Now what I have done, I have given the specific columns, that only these columns I need into the output, and the rest of the columns will not be present in the output. Okay, so see what it will give you. So B table is a left table, so from the B we have taken the 2 columns, that is city and house number. So it has given each and every record for city and house number from the table number B, and in the B 5 records were present. Now table A, which is on the right side of the left join written, that table A is having the column of F name and house number. So this table A columns has adjusted itself according to the left table, that is table B, which is having the column of city and house number. Okay, this is all about the left join and its different scenario. Okay guys, I want you guys to please note down this syntax and try it at your end. It will definitely help you out, to make understand that what is a left join and where we can use it in the actual scenario. Okay, so this is the thing. So guys, this is all about the left join, its syntax, and basic understanding regarding the left join. Now in the coming lecture we are going to see the another join in its implementation and the practical usages as well. Okay, so this is all about this. Guys, if you feel any kind of like improvement needed into my lecture, if you are not able to understand at your end, then please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it and I will try to improve at my end. If you are liking my video, if you are able to understand my pace of teaching to you guys, then please go to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so that each and every video will be there at your end and you will not miss any of the thing whichever I am posting at my channel. Okay guys, so thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.